Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung mga blessings, opportunities, and good luck na parating sa inyo sa loob ng isang taon. Starting June 10, 2025 to June 29, 2026. Dahil meron tayong Jupiter transits, Jupiter is entering the sign of Cancer, which is a benefic transit. So, ibig sabihin, positibo yung transit na yan. Maganda yan kasi Jupiter, the planet of abundance, opportunities, expansion, learning, and good luck ay papasok sa energy ng Cancer, which is nurturing, caring, supportive energy. Okay? That's why maganda ang kanilang combination, kumbaga. That's why ang Jupiter is exalted in the sign of Cancer. So this reading ay maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Aquarius rising. Pwede rin namang mag-resonate dito yung mga Aquarius Sun and Moon. Okay? So for you, Aquarius, itong transit ng Jupiter is going to enter your 6th house. Okay? So itong 6th house na to is about your health. This is also about your day-to-day job. Okay, wait lang at madilim. On lang natin. Okay. So, maaring meron kang mga aayusin pagdating sa iyong kalusugan. You will be healthier. You will do some things that will improve your lifestyle. Kasi ang 6th house is about your daily routine. Yung iba naman, maaring mas magiging busy sa work, sa trabaho ninyo, ano man yung source of income ninyo, because the 6th house is your daily grind. Oo. And meron siyang positive aspect sa yung 2nd house, which is in Pisces. So, 2nd house is your sources of income. So, yung trabaho mo ngayon, kapag ito ay talagang tinutukan mo, no? Magbibigay ito sa'yo ng success in terms of your finances. Kasi meron tong positive aspect sa 2nd house, which is your money, your resources. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matutupad na pangarap in terms of yung pagbili ng bagay, importanteng asset for you. This can be sasakyan, bahay, lupa, or mga importanteng gamit sa bahay. Some of you naman, maaring meron kayong pagkakagastusan pagdating sa inyong knowledge. So, ibig sabihin yan, mag-aaral ka, or magte-take ka ng mga short courses online, or magsusubscribe ka sa isang content creator na merong naibibigay na value para sa'yo, para mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo, and all, and so on, and so forth, no? Marami pang iba. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga plans pagdating sa social media. Let's say, for example, gusto mo maging content creator, pero nahihiya ka lang. So, yun yung pwedeng maging struggle mo. Kasi, pag nagsisimula talaga mahirap, 'di ba? Yun yung isa sa pinakamahirap, yung transition na yun. But you'll never know kung na yan pala yung magbibigay sa iyo ng additional income, 'di ba? So, work on that kasi meron kang certain following, no? Maaring influential ka, yung tipong, when I say influential, pwedeng, hindi mo naman kailangan maging politiko or celebrity, no? Ito yung tipong, meron kang charisma sa community, charisma sa maraming tao, na pwede mong gamitin to your advantage, 'di ba? So, that is something that you have to work on, lalo na kung mahiyain ka. Dahil you'll never know kung ano pang opportunities na darating sa'yo dahil sa iyong lakas ng loob at tiwala sa sarili. Yung iba naman, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng alagang hayop, no? Aso, pusa, kung ano man yung gusto nyong alagaan. Let's see what else, Aquarius. You have the 8 of Cups. You are leaving a situation. Ano tong gusto mong iwanan na sitwasyon? Something that is no longer serving you. Pwede tong trabaho or isang routine na alam mong hindi na nagsuserve sa'yo, to focus on yourself, in taking care of yourself and taking care of your needs. Tignan mo, merong abundance dito. So, for some of you Aquarius, marami kayong options available ngayon, especially in your work. Yung mga bagay na pwede nyong pagkaabalahan, na magbibigay sa inyo ng kaperahan. You have judgment. So, this is rebirth. Reinventing yourself. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring i-rebrand mo yung sarili mo. Na tipong kung dati, basta may babaguhin ka sa sarili mo para meron kang bagong ipresenta sa audience mo. So, kung content creator ka, i-rebrand mo yung sarili mo from travel vlogger to beauty vlogger. Parang ganun. And meron ding awakening dito. So, this is about spiritual awakening, nare-realize mo yung mga kakayanan mo, yung mga bagay na alam mo, yung weakness mo, yung strengths mo, and syempre kung alam mo yung weakness mo, you can work on that, no? At yung strength mo, lalo mong palalakasin. You have the Three of Cups, which is about community, friendship. So, maaring may mga bagong friends na makikilala that will also help you to grow. Pwedeng merong mga, diba, minsan meron tayong nakikilala na tutulong sa atin or magpapakilala sa atin sa isang sitwasyon or tao na eventually will help us grow. Oo. This is also celebration. So, maaaring meron kang isi-celebrate na accomplishment sa period na yan, no? From June 10, 2025 to June 29, 2026. You have the Eight of Wands. So, there are also travel opportunities for you, going to different places. Eight of Wands is also about messages. So, I feel like ito yung time na marami kang makakausap, makakasalamuha na tao. And that is fine kasi yan yung tutulong rin sa character development mo. Especially kung ikaw ay may pagka introverted, no? Yung minsan we don't want to sabi nga, you don't want to mingle, 'di ba? Or to talk to others or meet new people. Pero kasi it helps us grow, no? It helps us grow to meet them for some reasons. Minsan kasi nakikilala natin sila for a reason and for a season. Minsan at a certain period mo lang siya magiging kaibigan, and that's fine kasi sabi nga, friends come and go. 'Di ba? Ang importante is you have learned lessons through that experience, 'di ba? Let's see what else, Aquarius. Self-love, practicing self-love, self-care, focusing on putting value sa sarili mo. So, mas pinapahalagahan mo na yung sarili mo ngayon. You also have rites of passage. This is transformation. Ang daming purple, so this is about a very spiritual transformation for you, na kung dati, lagi mong iniisip kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, or iniisip mo kung ikaw ba ay tanggap ng nakararami. So, for you, iisipin mo muna kung ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. Is it valid? Ano yung pwede mong gawin para sa sarili mo para mas maging masaya, mas maging fulfilling. Oh my God. Puro purple talaga. You have expanded awareness. See? Nagiging aware ka sa paligid mo. Yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng major spiritual awakening. So that's about the Jupiter energy for you, kasi Jupiter is also about expansion and knowledge and spirituality and belief system. So maaring meron ding nagbabago na belief system for you na mas doon ka nagre-resonate and you want to explore that. Can be anything, no? Pwedeng religion or any mantra sa buhay or any belief. Patience. It is safe to wait. So, may mga bagay na maaring hindi pa ibibigay sa'yo because hindi ka pa ready or merong mas makakabuti pa para sa'yo. And Syempre kung meron kang mga sinisimula na bagong kabanata sa buhay mo, hindi naman agad yan mapupunta agad sa climax, no? Ano yan, nagbi-build up yan through time or over time. Kaya you have to be patient kasi eventually makikita mo rin naman yung resulta ng pinagpaguran mo. Ang importante is nag-take ka ng action, nag-take ka ng risk, okay, to try something new. So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.